Here's a 13-week cash flow template for small and medium-sized businesses. It breaks down expenses week over week based on a quarterly run rate. So we have 90 days stretching out to the end of third quarter, which is the end of September. It's a very simple template to break down your income and expenses. Cash receipts in this case are your income or sales coming in. You can also have deposits or transfers, which will increase your cash balance. In disbursements, we have expenses, which include rent, utilities, phone bills, payroll. I have it broken down between fixed and variable costs, including insurances and other benefits that pertain to employees. Professional fees include lawyers, accountants, and tech services. Business insurance, which is obviously vital and also falls on different dates when payment is due. So insurance, property, auto, liabilities, keyman, workers' comp, other expenses, retail, which may include cost of goods sold and other services important to make sales. Technology is simple, can be small or big depending on your business. So website, emails, online software, and then marketing. This is a simple area that you can monitor online and offline spend. Figure out how quickly you're spending money and where the money's going, and if it's producing sales. Usually the first area to cut in any business if it's not producing sales or an ROI. And then lastly is the office expenses and disbursements, shipping, shredding, delivery, food, coffee. You may not have as much as these, so a lot of these expenses can be allocated elsewhere. And then finally, we have finance, which includes taxes, interest payments, bank fees. You can also include the SBA or other expenses that may be related to finance, such as investor payments. And then finally, disbursements. So this is a really simple template that you can monitor week over week. You can easily add your income in, increase or decrease the payroll, and you figure out where your balance will be for the next, or beginning balance will be for next week. And then you continue to monitor it week over week to say, hey, am I making enough money, or do I need to push off expenses, or can I accelerate expenses to pay down my accounts payable, and then the balance in total will show up for your quarter every week. You can have your CFO or controller monitor these expenses. It's really easy to provide a snapshot every Monday morning to figure out where you stand, and then you can figure out what's important. This is a really good document for yourself as an operator. It's important for owners, so any investors or shareholders that are also have a vested stake. Bankers and lenders love this because it's a very clear way to break down your finances, and it's a simple way to just monitor what's happening if you have multiple accounts providing you with financial snapshots. So comment below cash flow if you'd like to see this, and I'll provide you a copy of this template. It's free. I'll send it over to give you an opportunity to work on your own models and figure out what your weekly cash flow will be for the rest of the third quarter.